All right, let's go do a lap at the Goodwill Bins, and I brought a friend.
Me!
Y'all favorite friend. What are you looking for at the Goodwill Bins, Ren?
Trying to find some fidgets for my fidget basket.
More fidgets because, you know, like 30 isn't enough.
No, I have like 40 something or 30 something. I don't know.
Is this a painting? Oh no, it's a picture frame made by Rhonda. That's cute. I like it. It's missing the little piece that goes here to help it stand up, but I have a bunch of those dowel rods. I can put some in there. Let's see. This is Santa right here. He's pretty cute, but I think I'll leave him here. Okay, they have these cups right here. It was a wedding gift. This one says Father of the Bride and then Father of the Groom. But then they have this piece. What is this for? Why is there this right here? Y'all comment and let me know. I'm very curious. I cannot think of any reason why this would be here. And there's nothing broken, so it's not like there was a, you know, a handle or something. Look at this cup with the little Santa sitting on it. Here's some Christmas ornaments. A bunch of bears. I already found a bunch of bear Christmas stuff, so I think I'm gonna pick out some of these. Oh, look at that one. And I can do a whole lot of bear Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, that one's precious. I like these little hand-painted ceramic ones. That way, if somebody is doing a bear Christmas theme, I'll have a bunch of stuff for them. There's a whole bin of poinsettias. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are cute. Hold on, Ran, I found something. Oh, I love these. I don't know what they're made of. They feel like stone. Oh, and a little brush. What else is in here? Look, there's a bunch of them. Oh, some more. Ran, what you got?
I found this.
Oh, that looks fun.
Set. And it's a bracelet set. And I want to make a bracelet.
Okay, put it in the cart.
Okay.
Okay, one has a screw on it, so I think they were finials, but I don't know what they're made out of. I want them just for decoration. Like, how cute are these? So I'm gonna get all of them. Here's a Santa. I don't think he's an older one. Oh, he's heavy, but I like him. I think he would go good with my decorations, so I'm gonna get him for me. Oh, that's my friend Lee's cart. Here's my cart. Oh, look at this blanket. It's a baby blanket. I love the blues and the pattern. And look at this rabbit. Here's another bear. This is a little Americana bear. Look at her. Oh, and she has this little brass bear charm. Let's see if she has a tag on her. What's this? Boyd's Bears. I find these, but I don't always pick them up. But I like the Americana look. We're gonna rescue her. They just brought out a new bin. Only found one thing. This wooden pig rack right here. Always good to have those in your stash. Look at this Santa right here. The Santa head, Santa snowman head. You put a light in it. I love the chippy look of him. That would be cute in my landscape, and honestly, even in my house. I would like this. I think I gotta get him. I gotta get him. I like him. All right, we didn't even get to make a full round, but we gotta go because Ren has theater in like 10 minutes. So I hope we make it there on time. Oh, hold him so I can show him what else is in the cart. Don't drop him. You got him?
Wait, I got it.
So anyway, for a quick lap, not even a full lap, we got a good amount of stuff. I'll put a total on the screen for everything that we got. Y'all let me know what is y'all favorite item.
It's folding.
Okay, don't let them fall.
I won't. I have them on the back.
All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this quick thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next one.